This is a follow-up video to the one I showed in the previous videos for the fall prevention blog, and we got a somebody who actually picks up people who fall all the time, so he knows how important it is to work balance when we're older, so we don't have to see him in the middle of the night. And we're gonna do that same exercise. He's gonna lean until you can kind of start seeing his feet grip. He's doing an excellent job. If I was able to, we could fit a pencil underneath that. His toes are gripping, the arch is building, his body is perfectly straight, and we're working all the teeny muscles in the foot, and we're working our balance. Great. Now he's going to face the wall, and he's going to do that again. Now, if we're at home and our balance isn't the best, we're going to use a wall, we're going to use the stair, the table, it doesn't matter. And he's working just till the heel comes up. The toes are starting to activate. He's actually doing better than I am. All the muscles inside the foot are working, and we're gonna start strengthening the little toes. And falls that happen as a senior usually start when they start walking, and so this will help your foot become alive and strong. Perfect. And so again, we can do 5 to 8 sets. We can do anywhere from 10 seconds up to 30 seconds, or whatever our body lets us do.